Kate here at WTI, and this is your sign that you need a wool blanket. This one is from LAMBHILL Co., and it has exceeded my expectations. It's in this gorgeous deep blue color. It is super soft and cozy, a really generous size, and I'm just kind of blown away by the fact that this is made of virgin wool. Wool has so many cool properties. For one thing, it's naturally self-cleaning and odor resistant. It also has awesome water wicking properties, which basically means that it absorbs the moisture so that you don't actually feel damp, even if it is kind of damp outside. So very cool. The fact that it's self-cleaning means that you don't have to wash it very often. You just have to kind of shake it out, spot clean it as needed. And then if you do need to wash it, of course you can. You can wash it in the washing machine, which is awesome. Just make sure to follow their care instructions carefully because it is wool and so it takes a little extra care. I have been using this nonstop outdoors. I love how much it blocks the wind. It keeps me so nice and warm. We like to have a lot of fires outside. We spend a lot of time outdoors, and this has been my companion through it all. So if you're looking for an everything blanket, this one's really nice. It's super soft and it honestly is an awesome outdoor blanket, so you can take it with you anywhere. It also has a really beautiful strap that comes with it. So if you're contemplating this blanket, do not hesitate. I think it is absolutely fantastic, and that's my point of view.